Hi everyone, a very warm welcome to one and all. My name is Dipesh Rana and I am a student of SSR IMR studying MBA first year. Today I will be representing you my research paper, and my paper is all about consisting a topic, a study on entrepreneurial intents and challenges. So before moving ahead, I wanted to thank Dr. Raj Pandey sir for his great guidance and my dear friend Ajay Mishra who is a co-author and assistant in writing the research paper. So let me give you a proverb. So business opportunities are like buses. There is always another one is coming, said by Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Enterprise. Let me give you some quick glimpses about my research paper, which consists of introduction, research methodology, objectives, and key concepts of entrepreneurial intent and challenges. Before moving to main content, I would like to share my research objective. First, to understand the essence of entrepreneurship. Second, to study the entrepreneurial intents and challenges experienced by entrepreneurs. So this was my objectives. Second, introduction. So what is entrepreneurship? So entrepreneurship is an individual who creates new business by bearing on risk and enjoying most of his rewards. The entrepreneurs who always proves to be successful in taking risk by existing business or startups are rewarded with fame, profits, continuous growth, opportunity. Now let's talk about key concepts of entrepreneurial intents and entrepreneurial challenges. So entrepreneurial intent, which includes employment first. So firm always try to give employment to the job seekers who can have to they can improve their standard of living as well as they can improve or boost the national economy as well. Second, unlimited margin of income. So entrepreneur always have unlimited margin of income as compared to a normal person who have normal wages or salary. Third, being a own boss. Entrepreneur or the firm always try to be or he shows leadership skills so that it influences other to work. Fourth, improve technology. The entrepreneur always try to bring creativity in existing product or creating new product so that it engages customers. Fifth, institutional support. For example, you are buying a car of Maruti Suzuki, and as you buy it, you will see the music equipment of the Maruti Suzuki car, the dashboard of the music system, which consists of Sony. So you will find as you bought a car of Maruti Suzuki and you find music system of Sony company, Sony industry. So the Maruti Suzuki have many tie-ups with small companies so that it make a unique product. As you buy a car of Maruti Suzuki, which have Sony equipment or Sony sound equipment or Pioneer sound equipment. So sixth, identifying the opportunity to take advantage for being the first to grab the market. So firm always try to create unique things so that he can create monopoly in the market by creating or generating revenue more than other firms. Seventh, having the right location or choosing a right location. So entrepreneur always tries to have the business nearby their clients so that it could being very easy and time convenient, and it is he always tries to be connected to his client and make them feel happy. Now, entrepreneurial challenges. First, cash flow management. Firm always tries to bring a finished product which is sold to be market, but sometimes what happens, the finished products not been sold out in market due to some tech I would say customization of customers patient preference or maybe other reason. So what happens, the unfinished product can't generate the revenue, so it creates problem. So cash flow management includes that cash should be flowing like a water, it should have generating the revenue. Second, recruiting dream team. So and the firm always tries to bring specific people for specific work to make a team to have a collaboration or merge them and they work together and form work culture. Innovation. Third, so firm always tries to create unique things, but it is fails to resist in the market. So it has to be that innovation, adaptability, so that it would be accepted in the market, which brings creativity or customization for the as per the preference of customers. Fourth, competition. Day by day competition is increasing day by day. So what happens, the firms have been I would say deteriorating day by day, and they have to face many problems while doing the businesses like funds and adaptability in the market and many more. Fifth, regulation and government. So suppose for example you are starting a bus services uh, business. So you first need to have all the procedures, like you have to take permit where you're parking your bus. You should all have your documented or legal wise, and then only you will start the your bus services, right? So you need to have I would say regulation which you have is followed while you are doing the businesses. Sixth, lack of confidence and knowledge. In if you see 2 or 3 years back, the government has provided funds to many firms. I would say that Skill India or Make in India. So government had provided many funds to firms. So, but due to lack of knowledge or skills, the firms have failed to expand their business, and they have lost and they suffered a very versatile. They failed to resist the or to expand their businesses, and they lost all their money. Seventh, lack of support from the family. So sometimes what happens if the firm is out of funds, or they have many problems while facing the businesses like stress or whatever. So having a support from his family which would make him overcome the problem, so that he will face the problem arises when and he have the support of his family. Now let's talk about research methodology which includes exhibits. So first exhibit, Alliant Product Packaging Limited, which was basically established on 1997 and having a product packaging industry. So as we personally interviewed with firm, so as Alliant Product Packaging industries was facing many challenges. Like the first problem was competition. So day by day it is very difficult to survive in the market. And the second thing would be that it has been retaining their existing customers by maintaining and providing them good qualities of products. So these were the challenges of the Aryan product packaging industries. Challenges. So these were the challenges. And the second thing would be the second exhibit, which includes swastik engineering work, which was basically established in 2002, and which was manufacturing metal components and air ventilators and doing other job works. And as we personally interviewed with firm, so swastik engineering works was facing main challenges was that they don't have one supplier or vendor, they have two three. Why? Because if one supplier cannot or one vendor cannot fulfilling their demand, they can approach others and they can fulfill their demands and make their or they can expand their business as well. Second thing, they always their clients to have nearby. Why? Because it will not fulfilling their demand by their clients, but also they will make their clients happy, and due to which they always have to make the clients more happy, and so that it would make their business more expandable. And they always try to retaining their existing customers and being a cost effective how they can reach to new customers. It was very challenging task for them. So this was all about. So in the end, I wanted to conclude that entrepreneurship is defined as a career aspiration with non-structured rules to achieve success. Thank you.